Ahoy, young sailors! Today, we're diving into the ever-changing world of weather and seasons. Welcome aboard Captain Splash's weather voyage. This map isn't just seaweed and bubbles. It's a guide to the marvelous weather patterns above.
Greetings, I'm Sunshine, ready to brighten your day. Hi there, I'm Cloud, here to bring a bit of shade.
And I'm Raindrop, making a splash wherever I go.
Sunshine, cloud, raindrop, and more. Captain Splash's weather voyage. Let's explore. Sunshine, cloud, raindrop, and more. Captain Splash's weather voyage. Let's explore. Sunshine, cloud, raindrop, and more. Captain Splash's weather voyage. Let's explore. Sunshine, cloud, raindrop, and more. Captain Splash's weather voyage. Let's explore. When sunshine beams, it's a day of joy and play. What activity shall we do?
Let's have a beach party with sparkling waves. And when cloud gathers, it's time for cozy tales and cuddles. I can make shapes. Look, a fish.
Ah, Raindrop, the Splash Maestro. What watery wonders do you have for us today?
How about a rain dance with puddle jumps?
What an incredible weather voyage! I hope you enjoyed our underwater adventure. Stay tuned for more weather wonders. Until then, keep splashing with joy.